What's up, all my ambassadors of the Shaddai? And I'm back again with another Shinance video breaking down the complex financial world for everyday people like me and you so we can get to this bread, to this money, to this cheddar. Today I'm talking about canopy growth. Canopy growth. Canopy growth. That was supposed to be smoke blowing out my mouth, but y'all didn't catch on to that, right? Before I get there, I do want to show my appreciation to everybody that's been here since day one watching. I appreciate y'all. I'm going to do something special for y'all real soon. And if this is your first time here, I appreciate you as well. Even if this is the last video you're going to watch, I will be thinking about you dearly and hoping that you come back to watch the next video. But either way, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, because it does some amazing things, but you won't know. If you simultaneously do those two things, I sprinkle some good luck over your portfolio. And if you don't believe it, well, you won't know until you do it. You won't know until you do it. That's just the honest truth. Now, Canopy Growth currently trading at $31. Their 52-week high was 56, so they're pretty much almost lost half of their valuation, which people believe was fluffed, whatever the case may be. Okay. Y'all got that. Either way, this company has 1.6 billion in cash reserves. You know, they're backed by Constellation Brands. I've mentioned them plenty of times. Recently, I did a video on them saying, will they be the next millionaire maker? And I still believe they will. You know, they've made good partnerships with Martha Stewart. They got some early partnerships with Seth Rogen. Y'all know he just launched his houseplant weed brand in America, which Canopy Growth isn't a part of the American launch, but they were part of the Canada launch, that still creates some value for them, because if it continues to get popular, they still probably gain some type of revenue from his brand alone. So there's upside potential. Obviously, more and more states, I think Virginia had recently, made it legal for adult use. And I think many other states will continue to follow. Like I mentioned in the past videos, this is a tax revenue. I'm looking at this from a revenue perspective. Yes, okay, people love smoking. Yeah, all right, yeah, cool. But I'm not looking at it from that level. Even though I've seen that level, I've seen so many people smoke, so there's so many more people smoking now than ever before. But I'm looking at it more from a state and local revenue perspective, and how it can benefit the economy, how it can benefit the local governments, give them more money to do more things in the local communities, hopefully education, hopefully fixing streets, fixing infrastructure, giving people opportunities, creating jobs. That's what I'm looking at it for. And I can only compare it to what the liquor prohibition was back then. Like it's a great comparison. They found a way to get a hold of liquor and tax it to the point where everybody benefits. And I think that this is exactly, they say history repeats itself. This is a mirror image. There will be dispensaries like there are liquor stores. Guaranteed. It just brings in too much revenue. They can control it. It doesn't do that much harm to everybody. So this, Canopy Growth has potential. And like I've mentioned in the past, and they're in the Shinance ETF. This is the Nike of the cannabis industry. They got some very big pockets behind them. They're into the CBD drinks, which would be very beneficial for people. They got the CBD products for pets, which is also very beneficial for pets. Pets can't speak. So, sometimes they hurt, but they'll limp or something. You give them a little CBD treat that is safe for pets. Obviously, these treats are made for pets. And then you see the limp start to go away. Their muscles are being relaxed. They're not as tense as CBD has a lot of great benefits. So they're attacking that market. And obviously, I mentioned before, they will acquire Acreage Holdings, which is an American distribution center pretty much for cannabis. So once cannabis is federally legal, they will take over that company pretty much, or a good portion of that company, with potential to buy the rest out. I really do think CGC is is one you want to hold, especially as they're losing a lot of their fluff value. And some analysts may say this stock is still fluffed, but I can tell you that after watching it for a year or so and speaking about it for a year or so, I still think that this is the winner. This is the one you want to hold in your portfolio. If you disagree, let me know in the comments below. And if you disagree, you better have some good details. Don't bring up Aurora if you ain't gonna tell me how Aurora is gonna get back everything they lost from the reverse stock split. Okay, let's start with that. All right, I don't want to hear, if you're gonna say that there's a better company out there, you better have a reason why, to change my mind at least, because I think Cannabis growth is it. I think if you want to be in that field, if you want to be in that cannabis industry and be invested in it once it goes federally legal, because once it goes federally legal, the amount of revenue that these companies are going to bring in the U.S. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to put your concerns in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe if you aren't already. I appreciate y'all again and again and again for watching. Y'all have a great rest of y'all day.
Follow me on Instagram at shaddaipenamgmt.